Natural remedies like medicinal plants have been used for centuries to treat pain of all sorts. One such plant, wild lettuce, has been used for centuries as an alternative to opium because of its sedative properties and pain-relieving qualities. Wild lettuce originated in Europe and was called friend of the stomach because it was able to cause sleep and calm the stomach. Its sedative action, which produces effects similar to that of opium, can calm nerves and tension quickly. Its use is indicated for people suffering from anxiety and insomnia. It has been used in folk medicine in the treatment of a number of diseases including asthma, cough, insomnia, headaches, muscle aches and menstrual problems. People suffering from migraines and headaches can also benefit from wild lettuce, which can both reduce the frequency as well as the severity of headaches. You can obtain the benefits of this plant through infusion or tea, and through its liquid or powdered extract. The tea is made by adding 1 tablespoon of chopped lettuce leaf to 1 liter of water. Since it's naturally bitter, you can sweeten it with honey to make it more pleasant. This plant should be consumed under the guidance and supervision of a health professional, because even though it's a natural product, it can have some serious side effects when consumed in large quantities or by people with allergies or certain medical conditions. Applying the latex of the plant to your skin can also cause irritation if you're allergic.